In a quiet coastal village in Okinawa, Japan, a 90-year-old woman begins her morning with a ritual that seems almost too simple to be real. No expensive creams, no fancy machines, just 2 minutes of gentle care. And her face glows with a youthful radiance that, honestly, just defies time. Locals call her Oba-san of eternal spring, because despite her age, her skin looks soft, smooth, and vibrant. When asked her secret, she smiles and says, "It's not about stopping time, it's about flowing with it." Her 2-minute skin ritual has now become the subject of fascination among longevity researchers. The solution revealed in this video is based on her practice, a 2-minute Japanese skin ritual combining warm rice water, aloe gel, and gentle fingertip massage. It's so simple that seniors across the world can follow it every morning or night without spending a single dollar. This ritual works by deeply hydrating and tightening the skin naturally. The warm rice water is rich in amino acids, ferulic acid, and vitamin E, compounds that protect the skin barrier and smooth fine lines. When applied warm, it opens pores, allowing nutrients to penetrate deeply. Then, a thin layer of aloe vera gel seals in moisture, while a gentle upward circular massage for 2 minutes stimulates blood flow and collagen production. The key to firm, youthful-looking skin. The benefits are fast and visible. Fine lines appear softer, dullness fades, and the skin feels tighter almost instantly. Over time, consistent use can reduce wrinkles, improve elasticity, and restore natural glow, all without chemicals, injections, or surgery. So, what are the benefits seniors can expect if they start this ritual? Well, within the first few days, you'll notice your skin feels smoother and more hydrated. Within 2 weeks, fine lines around the eyes and mouth may appear softer. After a month of regular practice, many people see their skin tone even out and the natural glow return. The warmth of rice water improves blood flow, giving a healthy pinkish radiance that, honestly, no makeup can match. Aloe's antioxidants protect your skin from UV damage and pollution, while massage improves firmness and reduces puffiness. Over time, your skin begins to remember its youthful rhythm, the way it once repaired itself effortlessly. But what truly sets this ritual apart is its philosophy of aging. Japanese culture doesn't treat wrinkles as flaws, but as symbols of wisdom and grace. Yet, it also believes in caring for the body as a form of respect. The 90-year-old woman says, "When I touch my skin kindly, it responds kindly." Her words remind us that aging beautifully is not about fighting time, but nurturing yourself every day. However, as effective as this remedy is, it's not a miracle potion. It won't erase deep wrinkles overnight, nor can it replace healthy habits like good sleep, hydration, and balanced nutrition. Also, if you have sensitive skin, test rice water and aloe on a small patch first to ensure you don't react to them. And always use pure ingredients. Avoid commercial aloe gels with alcohol or perfume, as they can cause dryness. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Even 2 minutes a day can transform the way your skin feels, looks, and ages. Ultimately, this 2-minute Japanese skin ritual is more than skincare. It's a reminder to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with the body. It offers seniors a natural, affordable, and gentle way to restore youthfulness without surgery or chemicals. The secret isn't in the ingredients alone, but in the balance they create: warmth, moisture, and care. When the sun rises over Okinawa, painting the ocean in soft gold, the 90-year-old woman finishes her ritual with a small smile. She looks at her reflection in a bamboo mirror, not to search for beauty, but to honor it. Her skin, smooth and glowing, tells a quiet story of care, patience, and balance. This isn't magic, it's nature, discipline, and self-respect woven into a 2-minute daily practice. And, honestly, the best part? Anyone, at any age, can do it. In this part, we'll explore exactly how you can bring this ancient Japanese ritual into your life the right way, and how seniors around the world are already seeing life-changing results with just a bowl of rice water and a few gentle touches. To start, you'll need only 3 things: half a cup of rice, 1 cup of warm water, and a small amount of fresh aloe vera gel. Or you can use a pure, unscented store-bought version. Begin by rinsing the rice thoroughly, then soaking it in warm water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stir occasionally until the water turns cloudy white. This milky liquid is your natural elixir, light, nutrient-rich, and gentle on aging skin. Pour it into a bowl and let it cool slightly so it feels soothing, not hot. Wash your face with mild soap or just plain water, then dip a soft cotton pad or your fingertips into the rice water and apply it all over your face and neck using gentle upward strokes. Do this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Let the skin absorb it fully. Next, take a small amount of aloe vera gel, about the size of a pea, and apply it in small dots across your face, forehead, cheeks, chin, and under the eyes. Using your fingertips, perform the 2-minute massage. Start at your chin and move upward in circular motions toward your temples. Then massage from the sides of your nose to the outer corners of your face. Use gentle pressure. Imagine you're encouraging your skin to lift rather than pulling it down. Focus around your mouth and eyes, where fine lines often begin. This process enhances blood flow, reduces puffiness, and brings oxygen to the skin cells. You'll feel your skin warm slightly. That's circulation improving, a sign that collagen production is being gently activated. The key to this ritual's success lies in timing and consistency. Morning and evening are the best times to perform it, especially after washing your face or a shower when the pores are open. In the morning, it refreshes and tightens your skin before facing the day. At night, it repairs and hydrates the skin while you sleep. For seniors with dry or sensitive skin, doing it once a day is enough to notice the glow within the first week. In Japan, this ritual is often seen as a moment of peace before sleep, an emotional detox as much as a physical one. Now let's talk about what you can realistically expect. Many seniors who began this 2-minute ritual noticed visible changes within 10 to 14 days. Fine lines on the forehead appeared softer, skin texture became smoother, and a healthy tone returned. After 1 month, the cheeks looked fuller, and the under-eye area less tired. Dermatologists attribute this to increased microcirculation and improved collagen support, 2 key factors in slowing visible aging. Some seniors say they not only look younger, but feel younger. The daily act of self-care improves mood, lowers stress, and boosts confidence. But this isn't just about appearance. The deeper benefit is how this ritual reconnects you with your body. Many older adults stop touching their own faces because they feel age has taken away their beauty. Yet gentle touch stimulates nerves that send positive signals to the brain, releasing endorphins, our natural happiness hormones. It reminds us that caring for ourselves is still meaningful, still beautiful. This mental shift alone can change how you carry yourself through the day. There are a few simple precautions to follow. Always make rice water fresh daily or every 2 days and store it in the refrigerator. Discard it if it smells sour. Avoid using boiling water. It can destroy nutrients and burn the skin. If you have very oily skin, reduce aloe usage to avoid stickiness. And if you're allergic to aloe, try rose water or cucumber gel as a soothing alternative. Remember, this ritual supports natural rejuvenation. It doesn't replace medical treatments for severe skin conditions. The drawbacks are minor compared to the benefits. Some people expect dramatic, instant results like commercial creams promise, but this is a gradual, natural process. It works with your body, not against it. Another challenge is discipline. It's only 2 minutes, yet many forget to make it a habit. However, if you treat it as a sacred daily routine rather than another beauty task, it becomes effortless. Over time, this 2-minute ritual becomes more than skincare. It becomes a reflection of your mindset. Japanese culture teaches the philosophy of wabi-sabi, which celebrates beauty in imperfection. The fine lines on your face tell stories of laughter, wisdom, and strength. This ritual doesn't erase them. It softens them with grace. It helps you feel comfortable in your skin again, glowing from within. The 90-year-old woman often says, "When I touch my face, I remember that I am still alive, still connected to this world." That's the real secret. Presence, gratitude, and self-love. If you're ready to try it tonight, all you need is rice, aloe, and 2 quiet minutes. Stand before your mirror, breathe deeply, and begin. Feel the warmth of your hands, the softness of your skin, and the calm settling in your heart. This small act of care can do what no expensive cream ever could: restore your confidence, your peace, and your natural glow. Aging gracefully doesn't mean giving up beauty. It means understanding it more deeply. So seniors, take these 2 minutes for yourself. Let this Japanese secret become your nightly promise to your skin, to nourish it, honor it, and let it shine. And when you start seeing results, don't forget to share your story in the comments below. Like this video if you believe beauty never expires, subscribe for more natural wellness secrets, and remember, it only takes 2 minutes to turn time into your ally.